Mag-iisip sa katotohanan ng lalaki at sasapakin ang babae.
Huwag sasapakin, hindi sasapakin.
Hindi pwede.
Walang ganun. Walang ganun.
O, hindi ka na.
Acting ha.
Ay, sorry, hindi kami nag-foods pa.
Hoy! Hoy! Wish you! Wish you naman! I wish you happy anniversary!
Time, just take your time, honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Wait.
Shopping ako ng mga air fryers para sa mga staff ng Showtime. Namigay ako ng air fryers kasi di ba lahat nasa bahay, wala rin Showtime ng mga panahon na yan, di kami umere. So, inaliw ko
Focus.
Guys, clear! Clear! Isa pa bilis! Sorry! Right away! Out!
Sige. Tapos ito.
Okay!
Ito. Oh, yan.
Okay! Sound! Cameras!
Rolling.
action! Cut!
Yeah. Apo mo ito. Sino to? Ay, baka masabi niya yun.
Nawala na.
Ah, sige po.
Ito yung harap talaga. Maliit pala ka sa TV ano. Bye, tumingin ka na. Hindi pwede magsigaw. Ayan. Hala.
Papaano ka din?
Boy, tumingin ka na, boys.
Lumas, patingin ng second position mo. Kung magkakasabay. Tapos nag-follow si Mama.
Saan niya? Sa showtime niya. Vice ganda. Kaya nga bawal na ito.
Pag-gallery, tangin na nagsiselfone ka po. Tapos mo yung cellphone mo.
Ayun mo nga.
Doon na yung susunod.
Tinda ng ano. Maris. Edri. Maris. Dem. Aliyah. Aliyah. Ay, lumayo ka nga rin. Doon ka, doon ka.
Lumukha niya sa standard.
Nasa gitna. Shooting.
Pero makaipo ko na. Kamati kami silbi.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand